Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to notify team on Google Chat for new Instagram leads. So I am running a fitness business and I'm promoting my business by using Instagram lead ads. Now what I want to do is that as I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, that automatically I'm going to notify my team on Google Chat and I want to send a message with all the lead details. So here for my objective, I need to build a connection between Instagram leads and Google Chat. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically I'm going to notify my team by sending a message on Google Chat. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can notify team on Google Chat for new Instagram leads. So I'm the owner of the fitness studio and I know how vital it is to follow up on the new leads from Instagram, and I want this to happen quickly and automatically. So by setting up a notification in Google Chat for the new inquiries that I'm going to receive through my Instagram page, my team can be instantly alerted when someone expresses interest in my classes or my fitness studio. So this will allow me to collaborate on responses and share ideas for engaging potential clients and ensure we don't miss any opportunities to convert lead into membership, ultimately boosting my business. So here what I want to do is that as I'm promoting my business on my Instagram account through Instagram lead ads, and as I'm going to receive new leads through Instagram lead ads, that automatically I want to notify my team on Google Chat where I have my space of sales team, and I want to instantly notify my team for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Instagram lead ads. So here I've already created a campaign on Instagram lead ads and I'm running lead ads on my Instagram page. Now what I want to do is I want to connect Instagram lead ads with Google Chat so that I can automatically notify my team for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Instagram lead ads. So here for building this connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Chat, what I need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to notify team on Google Chat for new Instagram leads. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of Google Chat, so I'm going to select this. And I'm going to click on Create. And it will direct us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to first search for my trigger application. And here my trigger application is going to be Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Instagram lead ads here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, so I'm going to click on connect. I need to create a new connection and I need to click on connect with Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to do that. And now I need to click on continue. And here I have successfully connected Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now first here I have to select my page that I want to use, and I need to select the page where I'm running my campaign to generate the leads. So here for selecting my page, I need to open this tab, and here I will find all the pages that I have on my Facebook account and also the pages that I've connected with my Instagram account. So here I'm going to use this particular page of Summer Smiles, so I'm going to select that. And here I need to select my lead gen form. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab you will find all the lead generation forms that you have created in your page, and here you can select any particular lead generation form for getting the lead details. Here I'm going to select all lead gen forms, and now I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here what I need to do is, I need to first make sure that my lead generation form is live and the ad campaign that I've created are running through Instagram lead ads. Now here, whenever a new lead will submit that form, then automatically I will receive the lead detail here in Pabbly Connect. So here what I need to do is, I need to first click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is, I need to first generate a new lead by filling out my lead generation form. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to generate a sample submission, and for generating the sample submission, I need to use Metaphor Developer. So for this, let me take you to Metaphor Developer. And here I need to go to Resources, and I need to go to Developer Tools. So I'm going to open that. And now here, what I need to do is, I need to scroll down, and I need to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And now here, I have these two options of page and the form. So here I need to first select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And here this is my particular page. So I'm going to use this. And my lead gen form is already selected. Now for generating the new lead, what I need to do is, I need to click on this Preview Form button. And this will open my lead generation form. And as I will get my lead generation form, I need to fill all the detail of my lead to generate a new lead through Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to do that. And here this is my lead generation form. Now I need to fill all these detail of my lead. And here I need to first give a full name of my lead. So here my full name is going to be demo user. Email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. And now I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on continue. I will click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted this form, and I have generated a new lead through Instagram lead ads. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here in this response, I have received all the detail of my lead that I have created in my ad campaign in Instagram lead ads. So here I have the full name of my lead, that is demo user. I have the email, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my lead. Now that I have received all these details of my lead, now what I need to do is, I want to notify my team on Google Chat that I have received a new lead through Instagram lead ads, and I want to notify my teams so that they can instantly have a follow-up with this lead, and we can have a great chance of converting this lead into a customer. So for sending a notification message on Google Chat, what I need to do is, I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in my Action application, I'm going to use Google Chat. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Google Chat Hangout here. So I'm going to do that. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Google Chat Hangout with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And now for connecting Google Chat Hangout with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a chat webhook URL. So for getting this chat webhook URL, I need to first take you to my space of Google Chat. And here I need to open this drop down, and in this I need to go to apps and integrations. So I'm going to open that. And here in apps and integration, I need to add a new webhook. So for that, I need to click on this add webhook button. And here I need to first give a name to my webhook. So here my webhook name is going to be Instagram leads, and I can also give an avatar URL for my webhook. So here I can give any avatar URL link, and that will be used as an avatar for my webhook whenever I will send a message on my Google Chat space. So here you can use any avatar URL, but this is not a required detail, so I'm not going to fill that detail here. I'm just going to click on save. And here I have successfully created this webhook, or I have added this webhook. Now I'm going to click on this 3-dot button and I'm going to copy this link. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to paste that webhook URL. So I have added my chat webhook URL and now what I need to do is I need to give my message that I want to use for my notification message, and with my message I'm going to add all the detail of my lead that I've received through Instagram lead ads, and after adding those details I'm going to use that as my notification message. So here my message will be new lead alert. We have received a new lead and here are the details like name, email, phone number of the lead. Follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Now in this message, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the response of my Instagram lead ads, and I'm going to add the response of the new lead that I've received through my campaign in Instagram lead ads, and I'm going to use that response and I'm going to map that here in this message. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will give a space and I'm going to open this response of Instagram lead ads, and first I'm going to map the full name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the email address, so I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open this response of Instagram lead ads, and here this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped all the required details. Now what I need to do is that as I mapped all these details, I made all these details dynamic. Now every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new lead details in the real time, and automatically I will send a notification message on Google Chat for every new lead. Now I have filled all the required details, so I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this is the response of the message that I've sent on my Google Chat. And here I have successfully sent a notification message on Google Chat for the new Instagram lead. So to check whether I've sent the message or not, let me take you to Google Chat. I'm going to go back to my space. And here this is my space of sales team, and in this we can see I have sent this new message, that is new lead alert. We have received a new lead and here are the details. I have the name of my lead, that is demo user. Email is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number. And my message ends with follow up with this lead as soon as possible. So here we can see I've sent a notification message automatically on my Google Chat space, and I've sent this message with all the detail of my new lead that I've received through Instagram lead ads. So here I have notified my team by sending a notification message on Google Chat for new Instagram lead, and here I have done this by successfully created this connection and this automation between Instagram lead ads and Google Chat. Now to check this again in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this window and I'm going to delete this lead. And after deleting this lead, I'm going to generate a new lead. So I'm going to click on this preview form button. And here this is my lead gen form. So I'm going to fill this form one more time. And here my full name of my lead is going to be test user. I'm going to give an email address that will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. Now that I have filled all the required details, so I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form. Now that as I've created a new lead and I have generated a new Instagram leads, now what should happen is that automatically by using all these details of the Instagram lead, a notification message should be sent on my Google Chat space. So to check whether I've received the message or not, let me take you to Google Chat. And here on Google Chat, we can see I have just received this new message, that is new lead alert, and I have the message with we have received a new lead and here are the details. I have the name of my lead, that is test user. Email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number of my lead. So here these are the details of my lead that I just filled in my lead generation form of Instagram lead ads. And as I filled those details and I've created a new lead, then automatically I've received this notification message on my Google Chat space. So here I'm successfully notifying my team for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Instagram lead ads, and I'm sending the notification message on Google Chat. So here I've successfully created this connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Chat. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I've created this connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Chat Hangout to automatically notify team on Google Chat for new Instagram leads. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Instagram lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I've set up my Actions tab, and my action application was Google Chat Hangout, and my action event was Create Message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.